We have learned that HTML makes up the structure of a web page. You might have noticed that HTML by itself doesn't look that pretty. That is because that although the page has a body, it still has no skin. In other words, it's still naked. This is obscene and unacceptable. While we dress up in clothes, we dress up web pages in CSS. We write CSS like this. First, the name of the tag, then open curly bracket, the properties and value, then close curly bracket. For example, this will make all paragraph text blue in color and 14 pixels in size. Like HTML tags, all CSS properties are straightforward English words. Notice how the example will make all paragraph text the same style. What if we want to use different styles for different paragraphs? This is where we use classes and IDs to style the paragraphs differently. To understand between the two, think of it like this. A class can be used by many students at the same time. However, an ID is only meant to be used by one single student. Now, replace the student with HTML tags and there you go. Therefore, a class can appear many times in a page to style a group of elements, while each ID can only appear once to style a single HTML element. There are mainly three ways to implement the CSS styles into our web pages. The first is to use one CSS file for all your pages. This is the best way to do it. The second way is to put the CSS codes into the head section of each page. The last way is to use the style attribute to put CSS codes directly into an HTML element. You are now ready to start CSSing your website. And we mean this, not this.